Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving into the sky-high world of drones. On the left, we have the Techwonderz 4K drone, and on the right, the Techwonderz drone. Which one will help you capture those epic selfies? And which one will crash into a tree? Stick around to find out. Alright, let's kick things off with the cameras. Techwonderz boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle and a 110 degrees FOV lens. That's like having a mini IMAX theater in the sky. Meanwhile, the Techwonderz offers a 1080p HD dual camera setup with a front camera that rotates 90 degrees. Sure, it's not 4K, but it gets the job done. Think of Techwonderz as that friend who takes decent Instagram pics, but isn't quite ready for National Geographic. Reviewers love the Techwonderz for its stunning image quality, while Techwonderz is praised for its ease of use and good picture quality. When it comes to stability, Techwonderz brings out the big guns with its optical flow positioning sensor and brushless motor arms. This means it hovers like a pro, even indoors. It's like having a ballet dancer that can also bench press 200 pounds. On the other hand, Techwonderz has optical flow positioning and altitude hold mode. It's like a hummingbird that just discovered yoga. Both are stable, but Techwonderz seems to have a slight edge here. Reviewers note that Techwonderz is particularly stable, even in windy conditions, while Techwonderz is appreciated for its ease of hovering. Next up, obstacle avoidance. Techwonderz is like a daredevil with 4 wind resistance levels, but doesn't mention much about dodging obstacles. Techwonderz, however, is the drone equivalent of Spider-Man with its 360 degrees obstacle avoidance feature. It dodges obstacles like it's in a parkour competition. If you're flying in a jungle gym or around nosy pets, Techwonderz is your guy. Reviewers have mentioned that Techwonderz's obstacle avoidance is top-notch, making it great for beginners and indoor use. Now, let's talk fun and ease of use. Techwonderz offers one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, headless mode, and even 3D flips. It's like a Swiss Army knife of the sky. Techwonderz, on the other hand, brings in fast and slow gears, one-key takeoff/landing, emergency stop, and even gesture controls for photos and videos. Imagine waving at your drone and it snaps a pic. Techwonderz is like the drone that just gets you. Plus, it can perform 360 degrees flips and follow you around like a loyal puppy. Reviewers love Techwonderz for its easy setup and fun features, while Techwonderz is praised for its intuitive controls and gesture features. Finally, let's talk moolah. Techwonderz comes in at a wallet-friendly $99. It's like finding a designer jacket on clearance. Techwonderz, however, is a bit pricier at $129. It's like that jacket, but with extra pockets and a built-in heater. Both offer great value, but if you're on a budget, Techwonderz might be the way to go. Reviewers find Techwonderz to be a great value for money, especially for beginners, while Techwonderz is seen as worth the extra cost for its added features and ease of use. Summarizing the reviews, Techwonderz is praised for its high-resolution camera, stability, and value for money. It's seen as a durable and reliable drone, although some users experienced issues with parts and battery life. Techwonderz, on the other hand, is lauded for its ease of use, obstacle avoidance, and intuitive controls. It's recommended for beginners and those who want a hassle-free flying experience. So which drone should you buy? If you're looking for stunning 4K footage and don't mind dodging a few obstacles yourself, Techwonderz is your go-to. But if you want a drone that dodges obstacles for you and follows you around like a loyal sidekick, then Techwonderz is your best bet. Either way, you're going to have a blast, and probably some epic crash footage for your blooper reel. Thanks for watching, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.